You've looked up at the night sky. You've seen the stars, the planets, and the Milky Way stretching across the darkness. You think you understand the universe. But what if I told you that the cosmos is far stranger, more terrifying, and more beautiful than you ever imagined? What if I told you that the reality we experience is just a tiny sliver of what actually exists? Today, we're going beyond the stars. We're diving into 5 mind-blowing facts about the universe that will challenge everything you thought you knew about reality. From the speed of light to the fate of the cosmos, from the nature of time to the very atoms that make up your body, these are the truths that scientists are only beginning to understand. Prepare yourself, because the universe is not what it seems, and the deeper we look, the stranger it becomes. Secret number 1. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Most people know that the universe is expanding. Since the Big Bang, everything has been moving away from everything else. But what they don't realize is that it's expanding faster than the speed of light. And here's the twist, this doesn't break the laws of physics. Why? Because it's not objects moving through space, it's space itself that is expanding. The fabric of reality is stretching, and galaxies are being carried along like leaves on a river. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away from us. Some galaxies are so distant that their light will never reach us, no matter how long we wait. They are beyond the observable universe, forever hidden from our view. The secret is that there are parts of the universe we will never see, no matter how advanced our technology becomes. The cosmic horizon is a wall of darkness, and beyond it lies an infinite expanse of existence that is forever inaccessible to human eyes. The universe is not just big, it is unfathomably, incomprehensibly vast. And it's growing larger every single second. Scientists estimate that the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter, but the actual universe may be much larger, possibly infinite. The secret is that we are living in a bubble of light, surrounded by an endless ocean of darkness. Secret number 2, time travel is theoretically possible. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time is not absolute. It is not a constant ticking clock that moves at the same rate for everyone. Instead, time is flexible, stretchy, and deeply connected to space and gravity. The closer you get to the speed of light, the slower time moves for you. If you were to travel at near light speed for what felt like a few years, you could return to Earth to find that centuries had passed. This is called time dilation. The secret is that time travel to the future is not science fiction, it is a scientific certainty. We've already proven it with atomic clocks on airplanes. When you fly, time moves slightly slower for you than for someone on the ground. GPS satellites have to account for this effect to work correctly. If they didn't, they would be off by several kilometers every single day. The secret is that time travel is real, but only in one direction, forward. You cannot go back and meet your grandfather, but you can jump forward into the future. Traveling backward in time is a different story, but even that may be possible under certain conditions, such as near a rotating black hole. The universe is stranger than we can imagine, and time itself is one of its greatest mysteries. Secret number 3, dark energy makes up 68% of the universe. Everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, and even us, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. Dark energy is the most mysterious force in the cosmos. It's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Instead of slowing down over time, the expansion is speeding up, and dark energy is the force behind it. We don't know what it is. We don't know where it comes from. But we know it's there. The secret is that we are living in a universe we barely understand. The majority of existence is invisible, undetectable, and completely unknown to us. Scientists have been trying to detect dark energy for decades, but they have failed. It doesn't interact with light or matter. It's as if the universe is filled with a ghost that is pushing everything apart. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize how little we actually know. The secret is that we are not even the main characters in the story of the universe. We are just a tiny footnote. Secret number 4, black holes are not empty voids. They are the densest objects in the universe. When a massive star collapses, it creates a black hole. The gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. The secret is that black holes are not empty voids. They are the densest objects in the universe. A black hole the size of a single atom would weigh as much as a mountain. The largest black holes can weigh billions of times more than the Sun. They warp the fabric of space and time around them, bending light and slowing down time. The secret is that black holes are not just destructive, they are creative. They may be the engines of galaxy formation. Without black holes, galaxies like our own might not exist. They swallow matter, but they also release enormous amounts of energy. They are the most powerful objects in the universe, and they may hold the keys to understanding the nature of reality itself. Scientists believe that black holes are the place where the laws of physics break down, where quantum mechanics and general relativity meet. The secret is that black holes are not the end of the story, they are a beginning. Secret number 5, we are made of stardust. Every atom in your body, except for hydrogen, was formed inside a star. The carbon, oxygen, iron, and calcium in your body were created in the cores of ancient stars that exploded billions of years ago. The secret is that you are literally made of stardust. The universe is not just out there, it's inside you. You are a way for the cosmos to know itself. This is the most profound truth of all. The elements that make up your body were forged in the hearts of dying stars. When you look at the night sky, you are looking at your own history. You are a child of the universe, made of the same stuff as the stars. And when you die, your atoms will return to the cosmos, where they will form new stars and new planets. You are not separate from the universe, you are a part of it. These 5 secrets reveal the hidden truth about the universe. It's expanding faster than light. Time travel is possible. Dark energy controls our fate. Black holes are cosmic engines. And we are made of stardust. The universe is not just a place, it's a story, and we are part of it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have more secrets waiting for you. And if you want to support us, check the link below. Special thanks to our supporters. This video is possible because of amazing people like Sarah J. from London, Mike R. from Texas, Emma W. from Australia, Carlos M. from Spain, and Alex K. from Canada. You guys are the reason we keep uncovering the secrets of the universe. If you want to join this awesome community, check the link in the description to support Science Snack on Ko-Fi. Every contribution, big or small, helps us create more content for you. Thank you.